Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add a lightbox on your website to display images, videos, or even Google Maps in a pop-up. You can do that using the Lightbox widget of our htmega plugin. Let me show you how you can add a lightbox on your website. First of all, create a section. Now search for the Lightbox widget. Drag the widget to the section. From this panel, you can select a type for the lightbox. If you select image from here, you will get an option to upload an image for the lightbox. Now select the toggler type that you want to use. Here toggler means the element that you'll click on to trigger or open the lightbox. Here you can use three types of toggler, such as image, button, and icon. At this moment, I'm using an image toggler. If you want to add a lightbox to show a video in the pop-up, then select a video from here and insert a video URL. And if you are thinking about displaying a Google map in the pop-up, then select Google Map and insert the embed URL over here. From the Style tab, you can control all the necessary styles for this widget. If you have any questions regarding this widget, please leave us a comment below. So that's it for this video guys, and I'll see you in the next one.